What's up guys, Joey here with YugaTech, and last year in 2018, one of the most popular, if not the most popular budget smartphones was the OPPO A3s. Primarily because for 7,000 pesos, you could get a phone with a big screen, decent processor, and a long-lasting battery. Now fast forward to today, we have in our hands its successor, the OPPO A5s. So let's check it out. Lifting up the lid of the box, you have a smaller box that contains your clear case and paperwork. Then you have the device itself, and below you have your charger and micro USB cable. No earphones included, but whatever. Now taking a look at the A5s, we have a couple of key differences here compared to its predecessor. For one, we now have a dewdrop notch that won't impede your viewing experience as much as a bar-type notch. At the back, while the panel is still plastic, we get a more pleasing glossy finish. And right there in the upper middle part, we have a fingerprint scanner now, which the A3s didn't even have one. And a subtle note, the trim around the rear cameras is a nice gold. Now looking up front, we have a 6.2-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1520 by 720. Sharpness and brightness are adequate enough for day-to-day usage, but don't expect colors to be amazing. They're not washed out, but if you're used to nicer displays, you won't be impressed. On the left side, we have the volume controls and a slot for the triple card tray that accommodates 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes. On the right, we have the power button, and down at the bottom, we have the headphone jack, microphone, micro USB port, and loudspeaker. Now powering this device is the MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, which is fairly new, and our unit has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. So in the Antutu V7 benchmark, our A5s got a score of 85,688. So expect it to be around the Snapdragon 625, 626, or 630 range in terms of performance. For battery, we have a huge 4,230 mAh. So paired with that efficient chipset and low screen resolution, expect that this thing can last a long time. But unfortunately for software, we're stuck right now with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, skinned with ColorOS 5.2. So if you want pie, you gotta wait for an update. And rounding things off for cameras, we have a 13+2 megapixel rear setup and an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. We're gonna get into this part more in our full review, but for now, check out these sample shots. Alright guys, so this is the OPPO A5s. Like its predecessor at launch, it's priced at 6,990 pesos. So if you're looking for a phone and your budget is under 10K, this one might be worth considering, but if you want to know more about it, please do stay tuned for our full review. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, this is the OPPO A5s, and I'll see you in the next one.